Welcome back! Let's put some of the words we just learned into sentences so we can remember them better. 这只狗很大，那只狗很小。This dog is very big. That dog is very small. 这只狗很大，那只狗很小。这只狗很大，那只狗很小。换你试试看。Excellent. Let's try another sentence. 这支笔太大了，那支笔太小了。This pen is too big. That pen is too small. 这支笔太大了，那支笔太小了。这支笔太大了，那支笔太小了。换你试试看。Perfect! You're so good at this. I'm going to throw in some extra challenging questions. 这支笔刚刚好。Here we're saying that this pen is just right. But what's just right about this pen? We could be talking about its color, its price, or its size. To make it clear, we add these words. 这支笔的大小刚刚好。笔的大小 tells us that we're talking about the size of this pen. So we know we're saying that the size of this pen is just right. 这支笔的大小刚刚好。这支笔的大小刚刚好。这支笔的大小刚刚好。换你试试看。Fabulous! 你真棒！ Let's try another sentence. This time, let's look at two different books. One has a lot of words. The other, not so many words. 这本书的字很多。This book has many words. Word in Chinese is called 字. It's the same character we saw in 名字 for name. 我的名字 literally means my identifying word. That's why you already know the word 字。这本书的字很多，那本书的字很少。This is how we say, this book has many words. That book has very few words. 这本书的字很多，那本书的字很少。这本书的字很多。那本书的字很少。换你试试看。Fabulous! This is super hard, but you did it!